We're going to look at using the do keyword in Java. And the do keyword is used in conjunction with the while keyword to create a loop that is guaranteed to run at least once. So let's consider the following problem. We've got some very simple code here that asks the user to enter a number between 1 and 5. Okay, it will then tell us what we've chosen. So this works just fine if I put a number in between 1 and 5. The problem is it doesn't actually handle if I put a number much bigger in. It still works. And what we really want the user to do is we want to keep trying to get that number from the user if they've got, they put the wrong number in. So the way we can do that is with a do while loop. We're going to have to move the code around a little bit, but we'll start off by saying do, and this is the code that we want to run. And then we want to run that essentially while the user choice is either below 1 or above 5. Now the first part of the problem is this user choice value is currently outside the loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bit there. I'm going to declare it with the value that we know is wrong. -1 is often used if we know we need to use it. We want a positive value and we've got a negative value. I then don't need to redeclare it here. And I'm going to say do this code while the user choice is either less than 1 or the user choice is greater than 5. So if we now run this, what will happen is it will prompt us, it will read that value in from the user, and then as long as that value is good, it will print it out. So it's guaranteed to run once, but if they get it wrong, it will, when within the while conditions evaluated, it will say no, it's outside these bounds, and we'll try again. So let's just run that and see what happens if we put in a valid number. That's fine, we finish. However, if we type in a number like we did before that's not valid, the loop will run again and will continue to do so until we enter a value that is within the bounds that we've chosen.